Explain a little bit about my orders. So when you log in, and you go to my orders, you're gonna get a list of all of your orders that you've ever made. So we can see here that under the status we have a payment received for this one. This one has been completed and shipped as well, and this one is submitted but not paid yet. The payment has not been received. So you can see pay instructions here for the ones that were not paid for yet, and you get the information where to send it to and where to make the check payable to as well here, with all the overview as well. You can also see when you made that order, so if it was the quarter, either first, fourth, or third, and in what year, and if it's paid or not paid, and you can see when it was received as well, and then how much the order was for, if it's been shipped, and the ones that are not have been paid for yet, they have a due date. So you can see this one is due at this date. This is just an example, completely fake data, and these two were already received, and you can see the details of the ones that let's say this one is completed, and all the information and all the overview here. That's a quick overview of my orders list.